Okay, so part of our rollatini is going to be making a Fra Diavolo sauce for it. So I am heating some oil in the pan. I'm going to take onion and garlic.
How much onion?
I took half of an onion. Half of an onion and 3 cloves of garlic because I'm insane.
You want a hot pepper to throw in there?
And you just want to get this fragrant before we start adding our tomatoes. So because we have fresh basil, we're going to add the fresh basil. We're going to add fresh basil to the ragout that we're making. Alright. So now that is like, woo! Right up in my eyeball. We're going to start adding our canned tomatoes and stuff. Oh, I can't see. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have it in. We're just going to let this cook. I'm going to lower it because I don't want it to boil yet. And it's already starting. So we want to get this a slow process. Very, very slow to cook this sauce. Alright? So I'm going to show you when I start adding the spices. And I will be back when I do that. So what we have is our sauce is cooked. We're going to add some cress sprouts into it.
Where are they from?
Oh, they're from
Blue Mont Farms.
Farms.
They're very spicy.
They're very, very spicy. But they're a very healthy green for you, so it'll add a little heat to it. And then we're going to come back and add our red pepper flakes. Just kind of want to cook this in, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to start sprinkling in our hot pepper. I put about 2 teaspoons of hot pepper in this. You can do more if you want. It's, you know, up to you how hot you want it. Alright, and then we're just going to let this continue to cook. And Stuart's going to show you how to slice the eggplant. And he's going to talk to you about the importance of pressing it. Okay? We'll see you in a minute. Let me turn it off. It's not very hot. Okay, so we're going to also add about 1 tablespoon of oregano. I'm being really light on the oregano. Everybody in my house is going to be like, what? Did she hit her head? Because the only thing I do is I add oregano to everything. Pizza, oregano. I judge a pizza parlor by how good their oregano in the shakers are. Alright, so we're just going to let this cook through. We're actually going to have Stinky taste it. Make sure that it's not too spicy for her. Okay. She says it's good. Yay. What? She says a little bit more salt, and you know what? Her mother didn't add any salt. So, that could be why. Her mother didn't add any salt. So, we're going to add our salt. And that doesn't help anybody. So, we're going to add some salt. Alright, we got our salt in. Right. Give it a good stir around. And there we go. Clean? Ah. Alright.
Right?
She was right. The kid was right. Kid was right. Okay.